Imagine a gold rush where you don't need a pickaxe, where the gold isn't buried in the ground but hidden in plain sight, within the digital world. A gold rush where the most valuable tool is your own creativity,
Okay.
amplified 1,000 times over.
That's not a far-off future.
Right.
It's happening right now, and the tools that are powering this new economy aren't locked away in Silicon Valley labs anymore.
Yeah.
They're available to you right now, and they are creating a new generation of self-made entrepreneurs.
This isn't about hype or get-rich-quick fantasies.
Right.
This is a fundamental shift in how wealth is built. It's about leveraging artificial intelligence to create real value and scalable income.
And on this episode of the Wealth Code podcast, we're opening the vault.
Yes.
We are detailing 7 specific AI tools that people are currently using to build businesses, generate life-changing passive income,
Right.
and lay the groundwork for generational wealth.
We'll break down the what, the why, and most importantly, the how.
So you can start today. This is Wealth Code, episode 46, the AI Gold Rush. Mike, the AI Gold Rush. That's a bold title. It paints a picture of massive opportunity,
It is.
but also a bit of a frenzy. Are we suggesting everyone should just, drop what they're doing and chase this?
Not at all. But I do believe we're at a pivotal moment, Christy.
Right.
It's like the early days of the internet. The people who understood that it was more than just a novelty, that it was a new platform for commerce, communication, and creation, they were the ones who built the next generation of businesses.
Okay.
AI is that, but on an even bigger scale. The barrier to entry for creating real, valuable things has simply collapsed.
The barrier to entry has collapsed. I love that.
Yeah.
That's the core of our philosophy here at Wealth Code, democratizing the strategies for building wealth. So let's start with the tool that's been the gateway for millions of people.
We have to start with the one that changed the game, ChatGPT, and the wave of AI content tools it inspired. Most people see it as a clever chatbot, a tool for homework or writing a funny email. They're missing the bigger picture.
Okay.
It's a scalable, 24/7 digital content factory.
A factory implies production.
Right.
So let's connect the dots. How does this factory actually generate revenue?
It's all about creating digital assets at scale. Think ebooks, online course materials, newsletters. A friend of mine, a total history nerd, but definitely not a writer,
Okay.
he used ChatGPT to build a passive income stream. He identified a niche, short, digestible ebooks on bizarre historical events.
Right.
He'd feed the AI the key facts and an outline, and boom, it would generate a 10,000-word first draft in an afternoon. He used another AI tool for cover design and published them on Amazon's Kindle Direct publishing platform.
And the result?
He's clearing over $1,500 a month in royalties. He's not the writer, he's the publisher.
Wow.
He's the creative director of an AI workforce. He's using his knowledge to guide the tool, not do the manual labor himself.
That's a crucial distinction. He's the curator, the editor. It brings up a vital point, though. The internet is already flooded with content.
Yeah.
The key can't be to just create more junk, right? I mean, Google and other platforms are actively penalizing low-effort AI spam.
100%. And this is the secret most people miss. You cannot just copy and paste.
Right.
The AI is your intern, not your replacement. It's a hyper-efficient first draft machine.
Okay.
It's your job, the value you add, is to take that draft, fact-check it, inject your unique voice, add personal stories, and refine it. The AI overcomes the inertia of the blank page. But the human provides the soul. The solution it offers isn't the elimination of work.
Yeah.
It's the elimination of the bottlenecks in creative work.
So the wealth isn't generated by the AI, it's unlocked by the human who learns how to leverage it effectively.
Right.
It's not a replacement for us, it's an amplifier of us. I love that.
Speaking of amplifying our abilities, making these kinds of strategic decisions, choosing a niche, planning a product, that requires a sharp, clear mind. And for me, that all starts with a quality night of sleep. As a hot sleeper, it's always been a challenge.
Oh, I know that struggle. Kicking off the comforter, flipping the pillow.
Ah, yes.
It's impossible to get the deep rest you need to perform at your best. That's why we're so thrilled to have Promede as this episode's sponsor.
Promede creates premium, natural, organic silk products. Their sheets and comforters are, and I'm not exaggerating, a revelation for hot sleepers. The silk is naturally thermoregulating.
Right.
It's breathable, it wicks away moisture, and it stays cool all night.
They've taken bedding, which many see as a commodity, and turned it into a high-performance luxury designed to improve your sleep quality.
Exactly. Better sleep leads to better focus, and better focus leads to better financial decisions. Elevate your rest by visiting Promede.com. That's Promede.com.
Okay, so we're well rested. We've used AI to create a digital product.
Right.
What's the next step on the AI wealth ladder, Mike?
Now we make our money work for us, even when we're not.
Okay.
We enter the world of AI trading bots.
Okay, I can feel a collective tensing up from our audience.
I know.
The words bots and crypto in the same sentence can sound like a recipe for disaster. Reassure us, Mike.
It's a valid concern because these are sharp tools, and sharp tools can be dangerous, but when used correctly,
Right.
they address the single greatest liability in any market, human emotion. Fear makes you sell at the bottom, and greed makes you hold on too long at the top. An AI bot feels neither. It is pure, unemotional discipline.
So, how does it function? What is this discipline in practice?
So the most accessible starting point is a grid trading bot, which you can find on platforms like Pionex or 3Commas. Let's say you believe a stock or cryptocurrency is going to trade sideways within a specific price range for a while.
Okay.
You set up a grid, the bot places a series of automated buy orders at intervals below the current price and sell orders above it.
Right.
As the price bounces up and down within your grid, the bot is constantly buying low and selling high, accumulating small profits from the volatility.
So, it's essentially automating the age-old buy low, sell high strategy,
Exactly.
but at a speed and frequency no human could ever match. It's working for you 24/7.
That's it exactly. The core benefit is its relentless execution of your strategy. It never gets tired. It never second-guesses itself. It just does what it's told. Now, there are more advanced bots that use machine learning to analyze news sentiment and market data to predict price movements.
Okay.
But for a beginner, grid trading is an accessible and powerful place to start.
So the solution it provides is a way to actively profit from market movement without being chained to your screen or falling victim to emotional decisions.
Right.
What's the main risk to be aware of?
The risk is that you still need a strategy. The bot is the tool, not the brain. If you set your grid and the price plummets far below it, the bot will have bought all the way down and you'll be holding assets at a significant loss. So it doesn't remove market risk,
Okay.
but it provides an incredibly efficient way to execute a specific plan within your chosen risk parameters. Garbage in, garbage out.
That makes perfect sense. The human is still the strategist. Okay, so we've created a digital product and we have an AI bot working the markets.
Yeah,
Now we go back to our product. We still need to sell it.
and this is where we introduce a tool that can feel like a superpower for any business owner.
Ooh.
It's AI copywriting platforms like Jasper or Copy.ai,
I've experimented with these and the results are honestly startling.
right?
You feed it a simple description of your product, and it generates an entire suite of marketing materials. Ad headlines, email campaigns, website copy, everything.
It's more than startling.
Yeah.
It's a massive competitive advantage. Think about it. The success of a digital ad campaign can live or die on the quality of the headline.
For sure.
A professional copywriter might brainstorm 5 or 10 good ones, and AI can generate 50 in a minute, drawing from different angles and emotional triggers.
And the crucial part is that you can then test all 50 with a small budget.
Yes,
You let the market's data tell you what works. It removes the ego and guesswork from marketing and turns it into a science.
it's a marketing laboratory. The most powerful feature of these tools is their deep, embedded knowledge of proven copywriting formulas.
Right.
Frameworks like AIDA or PAS. The AI has been trained on literally millions of examples of successful marketing copy.
Wow.
So it's not just arranging words, it's applying psychological principles of persuasion that have been honed for decades.
So the benefit isn't just saving time.
No.
It's accessing a level of expertise that was previously out of reach for most small businesses. You can't afford a top-tier agency copywriter, but you can afford a $50 a month subscription that gives you a similar level of output.
Exactly.
That's a profound equalizer.
It is. I know of a woman who started a small e-commerce store for handmade jewelry.
Okay.
Her sales were stagnant. She spent a weekend using Jasper to rewrite her product descriptions, her About Us page, and to create a welcome email series.
And?
Her online sales conversion rate doubled the next month. The AI didn't change her beautiful product.
Right.
The AI changed her ability to communicate its value. That's the solution it provides. It's a translator between a great product and a customer's heart.
This is a recurring theme, isn't it?
It is.
The AI handles the specialized, time-intensive heavy lifting, freeing up the entrepreneur to be the visionary. Okay, this is a huge one. What's next on our list?
Next, we combine the power of AI content creation with AI marketing to create a scalable, passive income machine.
Okay.
YouTube AI automation.
Ah, the world of faceless YouTube channels. We see the videos about this all over the internet, promising huge monthly paychecks. Is this for real, or is it mostly hype?
It is very real, but the reality is more nuanced than the hype. The concept involves orchestrating a suite of AI tools to produce entire videos. It starts with an AI script writer like ChatGPT to create a script on a high-interest topic. Then, that script is fed into an AI voice generator like 11 Labs to create a natural-sounding narration.
Some of those AI voices are getting so realistic, it's hard to tell them apart from a human.
So realistic.
So you have your script and narration. What about the visuals?
That's where tools like Pictory or InVideo come in. You upload the script and audio, and the AI automatically analyzes the text and finds relevant, high-quality stock video clips and images to match.
Okay.
It edits them together, adds captions, and syncs it all to the narration. It can assemble a polished 10-minute video in under half an hour.
That is staggering. A human editor could spend a full day or more on that same task. The benefit is clearly speed and scale.
Right.
You could, in theory, create a new video every single day with minimal effort.
And that's a lot of what these channels do. You see them in niches like history, finance, meditation guides, or travel.
Yeah.
They're often run by a single person acting as a producer, guiding their AI team. The revenue comes from YouTube ads,
Right.
but often the bigger money is in affiliate marketing. Every video about best gadgets or top software has affiliate links in the description.
But let's get to the critical part. YouTube has been clear that they are demonetizing what they call low-effort programmatic content. How do you navigate that and build something sustainable?
That is the million-dollar question, and the answer is the same as before. Human curation. You cannot just export the raw AI output and expect to succeed.
Right.
That's spam. The successful channels use AI as a tool, not a crutch. The human chooses compelling and valuable topics, rigorously fact-checks and edits the AI script for flow and personality, and carefully selects the best visuals. The AI does 80% of the manual labor, but the human's 20% of quality control and strategic direction is what makes all the difference.
So it's the difference between being an AI spammer and an AI-assisted producer.
Exactly.
One is a short-term hack, the other is a long-term business model. That's a vital distinction for our listeners. Okay, so we've covered content and media. What if someone already runs a service or e-commerce business?
This is where AI moves from being a content engine to an operations engine.
Okay.
We're talking about AI business automation platforms like Zapier and Make.
I call these the digital duct tape of the internet. They connect apps and services that don't natively talk to each other. How is AI making them even more powerful?
Historically, these platforms worked on on simple if-then logic. If this happens, then do that.
Right, very linear.
It was powerful but rigid. Now they're embedding AI actions directly into these workflows, allowing for automated decision-making.
Can you walk us through an example?
Absolutely. Let's say you're a freelance consultant. A potential client fills out the contact form on your website.
Okay.
Step 1. The form submission instantly triggers the workflow. Step 2. The data is sent to an AI model within the automation. You give it a prompt like, analyze this lead. Based on their budget and needs, classify them as high priority or standard priority. Then draft a personalized response.
Wow, okay, so it's not just automating a task.
No,
It's automating the initial cognitive load of qualifying and responding to a lead.
it's automating triage and initial outreach. Step 3, the AI classified lead and the drafted email are then automatically sent to your CRM. So by the time you even open your inbox,
Right.
the AI has already done the initial analysis and drafting. The feature is the integration of reasoning into your automated systems.
The benefit is incredible. It's not just time savings, it's a faster, more relevant response time to potential customers, which directly impacts conversion rates.
Absolutely. It allows a single person to operate with the efficiency of a small, dedicated sales team. It provides true operational leverage.
And it's not just for sales. You can use it to triage customer support tickets, automate social media content, manage inventory.
You're building a bespoke, automated system that runs your business, allowing you to focus on the things only a human can do: innovation, strategy, and building real relationships.
It feels like we're moving up the value chain. These tools get progressively more powerful.
Yeah.
We have 2 left. Where do we go from here?
We focused a lot on active business building. Now let's turn to the foundation of generational wealth: patient, long-term, passive investing. This has been revolutionized by AI investment platforms or robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront.
These have been around for a bit, but many people still view them as just a stock market app.
Right.
I think they underestimate the sophistication of what's happening behind the simple user interface.
That simplicity is their most powerful feature. When you sign up, you don't meet with an advisor. You answer a smart questionnaire about your goals, your timeline, your risk tolerance.
Right.
The AI then uses established financial models like modern portfolio theory to construct a globally diversified, low-cost portfolio tailored specifically to you.
So it's not just some black box AI just guessing stocks.
No, not at all.
It's built on proven, Nobel Prize-winning economic principles.
Exactly. It's applying sound theory with the flawless execution of a machine. But the real AI magic is in the continuous, automated management.
Okay.
It handles things that used to be complex and expensive. For instance, automatic rebalancing. As markets move, your portfolio can drift.
Right.
The AI constantly makes tiny adjustments, selling a bit of what has done well and buying what hasn't, to keep you perfectly aligned with your long-term strategy.
And they also offer that feature that used to be a secret weapon of the super rich, tax loss harvesting.
Yes.
Can you break that down for us?
It's a game changer. If an investment in your portfolio goes down in value, the AI can strategically sell it to realize a capital loss. You can then use this loss on your tax return to offset capital gains, and even up to $3,000 of your regular income. The AI then immediately buys a similar but not identical fund to keep you on track.
Wow.
It does this constantly and automatically, potentially adding significant after-tax returns to your portfolio over time.
So the benefit is clear. You're getting institutional-grade portfolio management, which used to cost 1 to 2% of your assets per year from a human advisor, for a fee closer to 0.25%.
Right.
Over a 30-year investing horizon, that fee difference can literally add up to hundreds of thousands of dollars more in your pocket.
It is the ultimate tool for disciplined, set-it-and-forget-it wealth building. The solution it provides is a defense against the 2 greatest enemies of the long-term investor:
Which are?
high fees and emotional mistakes. You set up your automatic deposits and you let the machine do its job, patiently compounding your wealth for decades.
I agree. This is likely the single most accessible and universally applicable tool on our list. It's a direct path to building a nest egg. Okay, this brings us to our seventh and final tool. You've been building the suspense, Mike. This has to be the big one.
It is, because every tool we've talked about so far involves using a platform built by someone else.
Okay.
You use OpenAI's model, you use YouTube's platform, you use Betterment's algorithms. The final frontier, the ultimate step on this ladder of wealth creation, is to become the builder.
Uh-oh.
We're talking about AI SaaS creation.
SaaS, software as a service. You're saying ordinary people can now build their own AI software companies and sell subscriptions?
Yes.
That sounds like a monumental leap in complexity. Surely that requires a team of expert coders.
It used to, but not anymore. This is the real revolution.
Okay.
The combination of no-code platforms like Bubble and the widespread availability of powerful AI models via APIs means that you no longer need to write code to build software. It's like building with super-powered Lego blocks. Bubble provides the visual interface to build the web app, and an API from a company like OpenAI is a Lego block you plug in to give your app an AI brain.
My mind is slightly breaking right